on, Andrew. Can you show mommy, please? Huh? Where's Mr. Crocky and Mr. Bunny? Oh, Mr. Crocky's there. Look. Hi, Mr. Crocky. Hi. Hi. My name is Mr. Crocky, and I came from the lake. Can I take a bite of you? Can I take a bite of this baby? Mmm. His legs are really yummy. And I'm gonna come and eat it. Mwah! Mr. Andrew? Mr. Andrew, what happened to you? Oh my God, look at the tummy. Look at my baby's tummy. A humongous tummy. Yes. Full of milk and bread and banana. Hello. Hi. Chica, my baby is not paying attention. He is very busy. Oh my God. Hi. 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 And hi. Where are you going? Come on. Show Mimi how to swing, 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 swing. Ah! Come on, baby. Show mommy how to swing, 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 swing. Hi. How are you? Hey. Come on, talk to daddy. Say, hi, Mr. Robert. My name is Mr. Anderson. Yes. Where are you going? Where do you think you are going? Oh my God. He went to his bed with the USB on. Chica. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ah! Talk to Mr. Crocky, please. Hi, Mr. Crocky. I know, I know. Tag, tag, tag. What is that? Huh? You want Mr. Crocky's leg? Huh? You wanna eat it? No. Chica. Good night, my love. Good night. Good night. Swing, 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 swing. Swing, 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 swing.